Hey YouTube, I'm actually doing a simple project around the house, and I'm about to do a video completely unrelated to that molding installation. And that molding's right there. It's actually for my entryway for my attic, and I'm actually in my attic right now, but I thought I'd do a quick video on this. Quick check on your attic fan. Typically you want to do this check first few days of spring, because you don't want to go up in here during dead heat of summer. And the way to test it, typically, you just go right here on the thermostat right here and test it. I usually test it by turning. There it is. I hear it. Come on. The lowest setting until it kicks in. But also making sure that your thermostat and humidistat is actually in a setting you like. Living in the East Coast, I think the recommended one is 100 to 110. Me personally, I like to set it at 90 right there, 85, between 85 and 90. So there you go. Again, you could do any settings you like. The recommended setting is a 100 to 110. I like mine 85, 90, in between there. So there it is. There you go. Pushing to 90. Alright, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. As I encounter something in the home, I'll go ahead and videotape it and post it on YouTube. Thanks again. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Another successful project. Managed to get the crown molding installed. Look at that. The old one just fell apart and just got old. There's my attic fan going strong at 90. I think I got it setting 87, between 87 and 90. So, right on. Thanks for watching. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.